Hello everyone, today we are going to start a new playlist in which we are going to have a look at logarithms. Okay, now the purpose of logarithm is what? The complex calculations. Okay, to solve complex calculations which are usually in physics and chemistry. Okay, but in our MBA entrance exams we are not going to get the questions which involve complex calculations. Okay, we are going to get the questions which involve only simplification. Okay, so you should not worry about the complex calculations. Okay, you should need to learn all the properties and to learn how to use those properties so that it can help you in simplification. Okay, now how we represent logarithm, let's have a look at it. Okay, how we represent logarithm? Log of a to the base x. Okay, how to read this? Log of a to the base, okay, log of a to the base x. Okay everyone, be careful, this is not x to the power a. Okay, be careful, this is not x to the power a. Okay everyone, so how to read this expression? Log of a to the base x. Okay, and now what are the conditions on a and x? Okay, a is always a positive number. Okay, a and x are always a positive number. Okay, and the value of x cannot be equal to 1. These are two conditions which we need to remember. Okay everyone, a and x are always positive number. Okay, and the value of x cannot be equal to 0. So what we can remember here is we take the log of only positive number. Okay, we do not take log of 0, we do not take log of negative number. Okay, you can say that log of 0 and log of negative number is not defined. Log is defined only for positive numbers. Okay, and the base is x here. Okay, base has to be positive. Okay, base cannot be 0, base cannot be negative number, and along with that base cannot be equal to 1. Okay, so base x is always going to be a positive number, but it is not equal to 1. Okay everyone, after this one more thing that we need to remember is whenever we don't write base, okay, if I simply write log 7, okay, over here I did not write base. Okay, so if I write simply log 7, it means log of 7 to the base 10. Okay, so whenever we don't write base is by default considered as 10. Okay everyone, if I simply say log y, okay, over here I did not write base. Okay, it means the base is by default 10. Okay, so it is nothing but log of y to the base 10. Okay everyone, now let's start with the properties. The first property, okay, look at the first property is log of a to the base x, okay, plus log of b to the base x is equal to log of a into b to the base x. Okay everyone, for example, if I say log of 15 plus log of 3, this is going to be how much? Log of 15 into 3, that is equal to how much? Log of 45. Okay everyone, over here I did not write base, means base is by default going to be 10. Okay, so whenever there is an addition of log and the base is same everywhere, in that case we are going to multiply the numbers. Okay everyone, so log of a to the base x plus log of b to the base x is equal to how much? Log of a into b to the base x. For example, log 15 plus log 3 is equal to log of 15 into 3. Okay, that is equal to 45. Let's have a look at the second property. The second property is log of a to the base x minus log of b to the base x is equal to how much? Is equal to log of a divided by b to the base x. Okay everyone, so if it is a subtraction of log and base is same everywhere, then we are going to divide the numbers. Okay, so log of a to the base x minus log of b to the base x is equal to how much? Log of a divided by b to the base x. For example, if I say log of 21 minus log of 3 is equal to how much? Is equal to log of 21 divided by 3, that is equal to log of 7. Okay, over here I did not write base, means base is by default 10 everywhere. So if it is a subtraction and if base is same everywhere, then we divide the numbers. Okay, let's have a look at third property. The third property is log of a to the power b to the base x. Okay, log of a to the power b to the base x, okay, is equal to how much? Is equal to b into log of a to the base x. Okay, for example, let's have a look at it. If I say log of 32, okay, we need to simplify this. Okay, log of 32, can we write log of 32 as log of 2 to the power 5? Okay, and this we can write it as 5 times log 2. Okay, this is the third property. Now let's have a look at fourth property. The fourth property is log of 1. Okay, log of 1 to the base any number, log of 1 to the base any number is always equal to 0. Okay, log of 1 to the base any number is always equal to 0. For example, look here. For example, if I say log of 1 to the base 5 is going to be how much? Is going to be 0. Okay, so these are first four properties. Okay, let's have a look at few more properties. Now property number 5, let's have a look at it. So now let's have a look at base change properties. Okay, if I say log of a to the base x, okay, log of a to the base x is equal to log of a divided by log of x. Okay everyone, so on the right hand side I did not wrote base, means base is by default 10. So basically log of a to the base x is equal to how much? Log of a divided by log of x. Okay everyone, for example let's have a look at it. For example, if I say log of 7 to the base 3 is equal to how much? Log of 7 divided by log of 3. Okay, on the right hand side I did not wrote base, means base is by default 10. Okay, now let's have a look at sixth property. Let's have a look at sixth property. Okay, the sixth property is log of a to the base x. Okay, and let's say at the time of simplification you come to know that instead of x base has to be y. Okay, so if base is y instead of x, you will be able to simplify it very easily. So how to change this expression into base y? Okay everyone, so let's have a look at it. So log of a to the base x is equal to log of a to the base y divided by log of x to the base y. Okay everyone, for example let's have a look at it. Log of 7 to the base 3. Now let's say I want to change this expression to the base 5. So how we can change this expression to the base 5? That is log of 7 to the base 5 divided by log of 3 to the base 5. Okay everyone, yes. After this let's have a look at seventh property. The seventh property is 1 upon, okay, 1 upon log of a to the base x. 1 upon log of a to the base x. This is equal to how much? By using fifth property, 1 upon log of a divided by log of x, okay, is equal to what? Log of x divided by log of a. That is equal to how much? Log of x to the base a. Okay everyone, so the seventh property is 1 upon log a to the base x is equal to log of x to the base a. Okay, for example if I say 1 upon log of 7 to the base 3 is equal to what? Is equal to log of 3 to the base 7. Okay everyone, now let's have a look at eighth property. The eighth property is if I say log of a to the base a, okay, log of a to the base a is going to be how much? By using fifth property, log of a to the base a is equal to log of a divided by log of a. That is equal to how much? That is equal to 1. Okay everyone, for example let's have a look at it. Okay, for example log of 7 to the base 7 is going to be how much? Log 7 divided by log 7, that is equal to 1. Okay everyone, now after this let's have a look at ninth property. Okay, so ninth property is, let's have a look at it. The ninth property is, now there are some properties, okay, now these are the properties which are derived from first 8 properties. Okay everyone, so we can remember those properties as a ready reference. For example, the first property is, tell me log of a to the power m to the base b to the power n is equal to how much? Okay, first of all let's try to simplify this. Log of a to the power m to the base b to the power n, we can write it as log of a to the power m divided by log of b to the power n. Okay everyone, by using fifth property. Now by using third property we can write it as m log a divided by n log b. Okay everyone, so now by using fifth property again, so we can write it as m divided by n into log of a to the base b. Okay everyone, for example let's say I want to find the value of, I want to simplify log of 729 to the base 32. How we can simplify this? Let's have a look at it. Okay, so log of 729 is equal to what? 729 is 3 to the power 6 and 32 is what? 2 to the power 5. Okay everyone, so this is going to be how much? This is going to be 6 divided by 5 into log of 3 to the base 2. Okay everyone, so likewise we can use this property. Now after this, the 10th property is the 10th property is log of a to the power m to the base a to the power n is going to be how much? This is equal to m divided by n into log a to the base a, that is equal to 1. Okay, for example, look here. If I want to find the value of log of 256 to the base 128, okay everyone, so this is going to be how much? Log of 256 is 2 to the power 8 and 128 is 2 to the power 7. So log of 2 to the power 8 to the base 2 to the power 7 is going to be how much? 8 divided by 7. Okay, let's have a look at one more property which is derived from the same. Okay, so the 11th property is log of, if I say log of a to the power m to the base a is equal to how much? Okay, is equal to m, correct. So over here, for example, if I say log of 1024 to the base 4 is equal to how much? Okay, 1024 is nothing but 4 to the power 4. Okay, 4 to the power, sorry, it is 4 to the power 5. Okay, to the base 4 is equal to how much? Is equal to 4. Okay, let me tell you one more formula. The 12th formula is, 12th property is, if I say log of 8 to the base a to the power m is how much? Log of 8 to the base a to the power m is nothing but log of a to the power 1 to the base a to the power m. Okay, that is going to be how much? That is going to be 1 upon m. Okay everyone, so over here, for example, let's have a look at it. For example, if I want to find log of 3 to the base 27 is going to be how much? This is equal to log of 3 to the base 3 cube. Okay, this is going to be how much? This is going to be 1 upon 3. Okay everyone, now after this, let's have a look at 13th property now. Okay, the 13th property is, now let's have a look at it. Log of 1 upon a to the base x. Okay, log of 1 upon a to the base x. Now by using second property, can we write this as log of 1 to the base x minus log of a to the base x? Okay, log 1 to the base x minus log a to the base x is going to be how much? Log of 1 divided by a to the base x. Okay, that is going to be how much? Log 1 is how much? Log 1 to the base any number is equal to 0. 0 minus log a to the base x. Okay everyone, so over here the property is log of 1 upon a to the base x is equal to how much? Is equal to minus log a to the base x. Okay everyone, for example, let's have a look at it. For example, log of 1 upon 7 to the base 5, log of 1 upon 7 to the base 5 is going to be how much? Minus log 7 to the base 5. Okay everyone, similarly, let's have a look at 14th property. The 14th property is log of a to the base 1 by x. Okay, log of a to the base 1 by x is going to be how much? Is going to be minus log a to the base x. Is going to be minus log a to the base x. For example, log of 7 to the base 1 by 5. Log of 7 to the base 1 by 5 is going to be how much? Minus log 7 to the base 5. Okay everyone, after this, let's have a look at 15th property. Okay, the 15th property is, let's say I want to find the value of a to the power log of x to the base a. Okay everyone, a to the power log of x to the base a. Okay, the value of this expression is going to be x. The value of this expression is going to be x. Okay everyone, for example, 7 to the power log of 49 to the base 7 is going to be how much? The value of this is going to be 49. Okay, or you can see that 3 to the power log of 10 to the base 3 is going to be how much? 10. Or let's take another example. Okay, 4 to the power 3 log 6 to the base 4. Okay, 4 to the power 3 log 6 to the base 4, the value of this expression is going to be how much? Look here, this is nothing but 4 to the power log of 6 cube to the base 4. So the value of this expression is going to be how much? 6 to the power 3. That is equal to how much? 216. Okay everyone, after this, the 16th property is the last one, you can say. Okay, a to the power log of b is equal to b to the power log of a. Okay everyone, over here base has to be same. Okay, you can see that the property is what? A to the power log of b to the base x is equal to b to the power log of a to the base x. For example, 5 to the power log of 7 to the base 9 is equal to 7 to the power log of 5 to the base 9. Okay everyone, so these are 16 properties that we are going to use in next few videos. Okay everyone, so all of you should remember all these 16 properties and how to apply these properties, because it will help us in simplification process. Okay everyone.